Kia ora, IT training, University of Otago, showing importing references into Endnote X8 from an online database of references. So if I find an online database of references, for example, going into the university library and finding the databases section and choosing a database like PubMed, and performing some kind of search, I'm ticking articles of interest, so there has to be a ticky box. Once I've identified some articles I want, I look around the edge of the screen for any export or save or send options, or options for working with the saved list. In this case, I find Send to. Endnote is a citation manager program. I click Create File and it downloads the references. Because the downloaded file can open up in different programs in Endnote, I'm going to Show in Finder, grab the selected file and drag it onto the Endnote logo, and it imports it into references.